everybody, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday was my CUET ka exam was of English and GAT, and it was a first shift, and I have to travel to a different city to give that exam because मेरे city में कोई centers नहीं है. So my exam was from 9 AM to 11 AM. So मैं सुबह निकली at 4:30 in the morning, and I reached there at 7, and we waited for a while, but after like 40 minutes we get to know that server down है and question paper and computer अभी work नहीं कर रहे, so they will not be able to scan us or anything. So we waited for not half an hour, not 1 hour, but for exactly 3 hours. So एग्ज़ाम शुरू होने वाला था 9 बजे and it got delayed till 11 AM, जो एग्ज़ाम का हमारा ख़त्म हो जाना था. Okay, first of all I did not eat anything because I traveled for 3 hours and मुझे vomiting issues है, and you cannot eat anything at 3:30 AM in the morning, right? It does not make any sense eating at that time. And after that also I did not feel like eating because वो vomit वाला situation में you do not feel like eating anything. I was hungry till 1:30 PM and I could not eat anything. I was just having my water, and that too वो भी ज़्यादा नहीं पी सकते, otherwise where will you go and pee? वहाँ पे भी अच्छे से कुछ available नहीं था, and due to light raining, वहाँ पे तो आजकल थोड़ा बारिश भी हो रहा है. So we all like 700 to 800 students with their parents, we were all kept in the basement for almost around 3 hours, and the parents started asking questions to them at around 8:30 that the gate is going to get closed, so when are you giving the students the chance to give the examination? But they said like when the server comes up, they will be given, all students will be allowed to give the examination. But the parents and all, everybody got so angry, they started recording videos, and what happened was soon the security guards came and they locked the gate, and we all were in the basement, and it was so hot. The students, they all sat down and started to have like a picnic sort of a thing, and they started to eat stuff. But it was all a very tense situation because some of them were saying that आज exam नहीं होगा, exam will get delayed. And I was like, I cannot come back here again and again to give the examination. Like, it is not our fault, it is the responsibility of NTA. They should not be doing such stuff. People are coming from so far away places. My distance was maybe 3 hours, is also a very long distance, but some of them are coming even from a very far places. And this is not how the national testing agency, like the whole system which conducts examination all throughout the year, should be working in this way. I have been hearing about mismanagements, but I've seen it and it is very bad. It is no joke. It is really no joke. We all were some like making fun at that time also, like हो जाएगा, but no, it is seriously no joke. And जब एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट हुआ, फर्स्ट मेरा GAT का पेपर था, that began at 11 AM, और सेंटर इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी सेंटर में, like all of us were sweating like hell. फैन was like, the फैन जो चल रहा था उसमें से ऐसा लग रहा था गर्म हवा आ रहा है. I don't know why. मतलब 14th को था मेरा एग्ज़ाम. That day exam was so good, I will not lie. उस दिन एग्ज़ाम was so nice and even the fans were working properly. उस दिन कुछ issue नहीं था. But yesterday it was so bad. It was literally so bad. Everybody of us suffered a lot. Like especially me. Let me tell you, the exam began at 11 AM. And first exam was GAT. It was going good and stuff, but as soon as English ka paper came, my head started to hurt so much because neither I had food nor I had good amount of sleep because I slept at around 10 and I woke up at 3:30. English के पेपर में the first thing was passages, okay? And as soon as I saw the passage, एक तो इतने छोटे अल्फ़ाबेट्स में लिखे हुए थे, ऊपर से स्क्रीन्स इतने छोटे वहाँ पे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन्स, and then I had to drag down up and down, side, left to right, oh my god, so many times, and I was not able to see anything clearly. My eyes started to burn. I don't know why. My eyes were burning so badly. My head was hurting so badly. I was feeling so hungry. My stomach was aching. And it was the worst situation that I could ever face. English ka half an hour I just survived, but the last half an hour I was just wishing that I hope the exam gets over soon. I had no energy in me to give the exam because my eyes, I felt like I am giving up, but I also had to do because English was important. GAT was not that important, but I still tried. I did not study much for GAT, so I did not attempt all the questions. I attempted around 35 to 37 questions, and the rest of them I left. कुछ तो मैंने ऐसे भी guess भी किए थे, but GK के and current affairs के जो questions थे वो सब mostly मैंने छोड़े हैं. So yeah, and English में there were 3 passages. The last passage was a little, passages were fine. There were so many questions from rearrangement of the sentences. I did. It was also good. Grammar के questions 4-5 थे मुश्किल से. It was also good. Phrasal verb 1 या 2 questions थे match the following में. That was also fine. Except the vocabulary. Oh my god. Like there were so many different words like intrepid. Many words. I do not even remember. And I even guessed 3 to 4 of them. But when I got back home and I searched about them, they were wrong. And now I feel terrible about it. So even if कुछ chances था कि एग्ज़ाम अच्छा हो पाता, it all got ruined because of NTA. I hope बाकी के एग्ज़ाम्स पे ना हो. I think कानपुर में भी हुआ था ये, and this is so disheartening. Like इसके एग्ज़ाम्स तो उन लोग का तो ख़राब हो गया ना. Now what will we do? I mean हर टाइम कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है. Thought wow इस बार नहीं हो रहा मेरे साथ, but nonetheless हो गया. And I'm so lucky that मेरा कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन बीच में ऑफ नहीं हुआ, because बहुतों के साथ तो even their computer screens got off in the middle. And it was a very bad situation altogether. This was my experience of yesterday's examination. Let me know how was yours, and thank you so much for watching.